Good day, everyone. I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I have prepared this asparagus with asparagus this month. It's it's a month of asparagus, so you can buy to anywhere like this, so it's not very expensive at this time. So I have to cook more asparagus, and that is a very healthy for this kind of vegetables. And I have chicken, just 2 pieces of chicken fillet with young baby corn. So I have to cook this very simple foods for today. So first, I have to cut this into a small piece which we don't need too much meat. Actually, just cook a plain vegetable, but I have remaining this 2 pieces of chicken fillet, so I can just mix it up. Then this one, every time I have to cook this kind of this, I have to marinate with this my favorite ingredients. I will add a little bit oil with the soy and this corn flour and a little bit oyster on it. Then have to mix it. So this kind of marinade can help the meat not to turn hard. I mean, the meat all times remain soft and help the taste more yummy. So I just add a little bit more. Okay, then just marinate like this and leave it for until you have to prepare everything this kind of vegetable. So I just cut it this asparagus until you can peel the soft one, which the hard one is not, it's not good to chew it. So just remove the hard one. You can actually, the hard one you still can remove the skin, but I don't need to. Just remove it then, just like this. They are very soft, but I need those very soft one. We have a lot of asparagus this time, so, and okay, then just to cut it like this. So then I got a little bit carrots just to cut into a small slice. Okay, so let me throw this and transfer it. Okay, and I have to open this baby corn. I like to use this batter just to drain the preserved water, and I got a lot. Then just to cut it, same as the asparagus. Like this. And this one can help also the fresh vegetable when you mix it up and turn into a delicious vegetable after cooking. And oh, I almost finished all those garlic, so I need to buy a new one. So look at this, when I tap it, and just so easy and very simple to remove the skin. You don't need to peel it one by one. So look at this. Just remove the nearby the root and cut it, slice it or mince it. Then I just using half I just have to cut it. Okay, now we have to start and add a little bit oil. And first seed the garlic. And can add the chicken meat. Oh, I have no more, but I want to finish all this. Okay. Then I want to use my special ingredients. A little bit. Okay. So let the chicken meat cook. Okay, then just put it aside, and you have to add the asparagus, and carrots, just let it fry a little bit with the asparagus. It's so easy to cook it. But you need to fry a little bit. Okay. Then add the baby corn. Then mix all the chicken. This is a very simple and very easy cooking, and this is delicious one. And I want to add a little bit water so that the asparagus, carrots get soft enough. So after you add a little bit water, then have to cover it, then wait till a few minutes, then done. Now after few minutes, so look at this. It's very good one, and they are very soft and juicy, which also the asparagus produce its own water. So this is a very delicious vegetables, and it is easy to cook and very good and easy follow. So now I just put a little bit salt. If you put the salt at the last, it will not go um, smaller your vegetable, just remain the same size and press with you always now it's cooked enough, so we have to take it out immediately from the wok so that it will not turn dark. And this is our juicy vegetables. So look at this. It's a very, very yummy one and delicious one. It's always fresh. I love a vegetable fresh with the taste. It's sweet. I mean, it's not very sweet, but the fresh from the farm vegetable all times good and give a lot of vitamin for our body, and you show it so yummy and delicious. Thanks for watching and see you again next videos. Bye.